Hi, I'm Jay Inge, and I'm from CarFi in Springfield, Missouri, and I've built a 1991 Corvette. Well, the theme, obviously, since we're going to be using it as a demo vehicle, we wanted to do a highlighted system. We wanted to do a lot of color scheme from the exterior into the interior. We spent quite a few hours with placement testing with our tweeters and mid-range to try to find the best spot, and came up with a pretty unorthodox location. We call it, the flick panel instead of the kick panel, because the 6.5-inch mid-range is actually in front of the drivers and passenger seats, firing at the windshield. I think I calculated it's almost 3,000 watts between the four amps. We've got close to 800 hours in it in about 7 weeks. We've done our homework. I'm an old school Iasca guy.